Over the years, bad road networks have become synonymous with Nigerian roads. Speaking, these transporters who ply the Abuja-Kaduna axis expressed concern over the deplorable state of the road. They said work commenced on the road immediately after the Abuja-Kaduna train attack, but the work has since stopped. They are, however, calling for work to continue on the road.
We apply Kaduna-Abuja road. The road is in a terrible state now. It's at now. Because when Julius Berger started the work, they stopped the work during that kidnapping issue of the train attack. So since that time, they refused to go back to the road. The road has been in a deplorable condition up to now.
The situation of the road is improving, but the worst thing we have on the road now is pothole. Compared to Kaduna, Abuja, and Abuja-Kano now. Abuja-Kano has been improved. The work remains small. But what we are praying for now is that the government should also see to us that anything from Kaduna, Abuja now should take away, because the pothole is too much.
Some people come to Abuja for work from Kaduna almost every day, but they suspend it and go to Kaduna. You understand? And we have been suffering on the road the way we are applying. Very rough. Some vehicles, some trucks, when they come from south, they'll come there and capsize down. So it causes a lot of hold up.
They also tasked road maintenance authorities to fast-track follow-up repair works, especially on potholes on the highways.
FEMA were patching the road during the December time, but they stopped after the Christmas break. They stopped. They were patching the road in that regional axis. They were patching the road coming forward, but now they have stopped. They have not done anything about it yet.
Talking about bandit, kidnapping and some others, that has a step aside. Glory be to God. All what we want now from the masses and the government is, please assist the drivers and the masses so that the Kaduna-Abuja road should be improved. The port, especially the way going back, is very, 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 very bad. Federal road maintenance, they are not doing anything. They are not on the road again. But like last year, end of the last year, last 2 years, before 2022, they make some patches. They improve some other places, but now if you are going, it's very, very bad.
FEMA, they only came recently and patched some area and too rough. Even the one they apply is too rough, and it makes us to apply one way. We run one way, so that one way is dangerous to any of us.
The need to make journeying to and fro from the states of the Federation less burdensome cannot be overlooked. Chuka Unhai, ITV News.